What if you could transform your home from plain to lush and beautifully styled in just a few weeks? No complicated plant care, no waiting months for growth, just fast-growing, beginner-friendly plants that instantly make your home look alive, fresh, and professionally decorated. If you've ever bought a plant and felt disappointed because it stayed small for months, this video will change everything. Today, I'll show you the top 5 fast-growing indoor plants that beginners can use to get immediate decoration results, the kind that make guests walk in and say, "Wow, your home looks amazing." And stay until the end, because I'll also share a simple 3-step arrangement plan that makes your home look greener almost instantly, even if you start with just one plant. Let's begin transforming your space today. When you're new to indoor plants, one of the biggest frustrations is waiting and waiting and waiting for visible growth. Slow-growing plants can feel discouraging. You water them, give them sunlight, and weeks later, nothing changes. Fast-growing plants are different. They respond quickly to care, produce new leaves often, and visibly expand, which means your home starts looking fuller, greener, and more vibrant in a short time. These plants are also forgiving. Even if you make small mistakes, they bounce back easily and continue growing. So instead of feeling like you're struggling to keep plants alive, you actually see progress, and that progress instantly improves your home decor. Let's start with the fastest and most beginner-proof plant of all. Plant 1. Pothos, the fastest decorative trailing plant. If there's one plant every beginner should own, it's the pothos. This plant grows quickly, trails beautifully, and adapts to almost any indoor condition. Within a few weeks, you'll notice longer vines, more leaves, and a fuller look that makes shelves and walls feel alive and fresh. What makes pothos perfect for immediate decoration is how it fills empty space effortlessly. Place it on a shelf, and the vines will begin cascading downward, softening the room and adding natural texture almost instantly. Even better, you can easily propagate pothos cuttings in water and turn one plant into several. That means faster decoration results without spending more money. From a styling perspective, pothos creates movement. Its trailing vines add flow to a room, making everything feel relaxed, organic, and welcoming. It works beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, and home offices, especially in areas that feel too plain or structured. If your goal is to make your home look greener fast with minimal effort, pothos is the ultimate starting plant. Plant 2. Spider plant, the instant fullness creator. The spider plant is a beginner favorite because it grows quickly and produces small baby plants that multiply your greenery over time. But even before those babies appear, the plant itself creates a full, bushy look that makes your decor feel complete right away. Its long, arching leaves spread outward and soften the edges of furniture, shelves, and tables. This makes a room feel more layered and cozy without looking cluttered. One of the best things about spider plants is how adaptable they are. They grow well in different lighting conditions and don't require complicated care routines. As the plant matures, it begins producing baby offshoots that hang gracefully from the main plant. These babies create a cascading effect that looks incredibly decorative, almost like natural artwork. For beginners who want fast visual results, spider plants deliver fullness, movement, and charm in a short time. Plant 3. Heartleaf philodendron, elegant, fast-growing vines. The heartleaf philodendron is known for its elegant, heart-shaped leaves and fast trailing growth. This plant adds softness and warmth to a room almost immediately. Its vines grow steadily, creating a relaxed, cozy atmosphere that makes your home feel lived in and natural. Because it grows quickly and adapts to medium or low light conditions, it's ideal for beginners who don't have perfect sunlight conditions. Decor-wise, the heartleaf philodendron is incredibly versatile. You can place it on bookshelves, let it trail down cabinets, or hang it near windows to create a natural curtain of greenery. As it grows, it gently frames furniture and decor pieces, tying the whole room together visually. This plant is perfect for people who want a fast-growing option that looks soft, romantic, and timeless, rather than bold or dramatic. Plant 4. Tradescantia, fast color and texture. If you want not just growth, but also color and personality, Tradescantia is an amazing choice. This plant grows rapidly and spreads outward with vibrant, striped, or purple-toned leaves that instantly energize a space. Unlike purely green plants, Tradescantia adds visual contrast. That contrast makes your decor feel intentional and styled, even if you only have a few plants. It's especially effective in hanging planters or elevated shelves, where its fast-growing stems can drape naturally and fill vertical space. Within a short period, Tradescantia becomes lush and full, creating the impression of a mature, established indoor garden. For beginners, this plant offers something unique: fast growth and decorative color impact at the same time. Plant 5. Monstera, the fast statement grower. Monstera is the ultimate fast-growing statement plant. While some plants grow fast but stay small, Monstera grows both quickly and dramatically. New leaves appear regularly, and each one becomes larger and more sculptural than the last. This means your room doesn't just get greener, it gets visually transformed. Large Monstera leaves instantly create that trendy, modern indoor jungle look seen in magazines and design studios. Because of its size and bold presence, Monstera works best as a floor plant near sofas, corners, or large windows. It fills empty vertical space and makes a room feel complete. For beginners, Monstera is rewarding because every new leaf feels like visible progress. You're not guessing whether the plant is growing, you can clearly see it expanding and evolving. And that visible growth is exactly what creates immediate decoration results. How to style these plants for instant results. Now that you know the 5 fastest growing beginner plants, the next step is knowing how to arrange them for the biggest visual impact. A common mistake is placing all plants in one corner. While that might seem convenient, it can make the rest of the room feel empty. Instead, think of plants as design layers. Start with one statement floor plant, like a Monstera, to anchor the room and draw the eye upward. Next, add a medium-height plant such as a spider plant or Tradescantia on a side table or stand. This creates balance and fills the middle visual space. Finally, place a trailing plant like pothos or philodendron on a shelf to add movement and softness. This 3-level arrangement makes your room feel intentionally styled and naturally abundant, even if you only have a few plants. Quick growth care tips for beginners. To get the fastest decoration results, you need to support quick, healthy growth. First, place plants where they receive bright, indirect light. Most fast-growing indoor plants thrive in bright but filtered sunlight, rather than direct, harsh rays. Second, water consistently, but avoid overwatering. Fast-growing plants need hydration, but soggy soil can slow growth instead of speeding it up. Third, occasionally rotate your plants so all sides receive light evenly. This encourages balanced growth and prevents leaning. And finally, wipe dust off leaves regularly. Clean leaves absorb more light, which helps plants grow faster and look shinier and more decorative. Common mistakes that slow down growth. Even fast-growing plants can slow down if basic mistakes happen. One common issue is placing plants in very dark corners. While some plants tolerate low light, growth will be much slower and less noticeable. Another mistake is using pots without drainage. When water gets trapped, roots struggle, and growth becomes weak or stagnant. Overcrowding plants is another problem. When too many plants compete for the same light source, none of them grow as quickly as they could be. Giving each plant enough space and light allows them to expand naturally and reach their decorative potential faster. Simple 3-step plan for instant home transformation. If you want your home to look greener immediately, follow this simple plan. First, choose one fast-growing statement plant like a Monstera and place it in an empty corner to create height and presence. Second, add one trailing plant such as pothos or philodendron on a shelf to introduce movement and softness. Third, place a medium bushy plant like spider plant or Tradescantia near seating areas to create fullness and balance. This combination creates layers of greenery that make your home feel vibrant, cozy, and professionally styled without needing dozens of plants. decorating with plants doesn't have to be slow or complicated. When you choose fast-growing, beginner-friendly plants, you start seeing results quickly. New leaves appear, vines extend, and empty spaces become lively and inviting. And as your plants grow, they don't just decorate your home, they change how your space feels. More relaxed, more natural, more alive. The beauty of fast-growing plants is that they grow with you. As you gain confidence in plant care, your home evolves into a greener, more beautiful environment over time. Start with just one plant today. Place it thoughtfully, care for it consistently, and watch how quickly your space transforms. Now I'd love to know, which of these fast-growing plants would you add to your home first? Tell me in the comments below and share where you plan to place it. If this video helped you feel confident about decorating with plants,